Where's it at?
Right there. Or you want it lower?
Yeah, it needs to go a little lower. If it drops an inch, I think we'll be okay.
Yeah.
What do you think?
You can if you want to tack it on there already.
Like, I'm not too worried about, you can't really see it over here. I just want to make sure we get most of the opening here. Worst case scenario, we can always cut this.
No.
Why? Because it's the ZL1 bumper?
No, I'm just saying.
What about up top? Everything good up top?
From the look of it, yeah.
We're going to go ahead and tack the bar to the Maven mount. See where it's going to throw. It should, because right now the bar, the way it's set up, it actually goes up. So we wanted to go a little bit lower so you can actually see the compressor and the wheel and everything. So
I see, it's like cutting off the top.
yeah, it's kind of cutting off the top a little bit. So if we could drop it if we drop it an inch, I think it'll be perfect, honestly. So. Hang it on the turbo first and then hang it on the deal, or what do you want to do? Regardless, it's gonna fucking be fun. Just put it on the turbo, I guess.
Ain't no big muscle over here.
Oh, you need my help?
Nah, you're good.
He said he needs big muscle.
How's it look?
Shave the grill. I mean, just barely have to cut the grill. Like shave the back. But other than that, I mean, the turbo inlet is pretty. Unless you want it lower.
No, I mean technically, like I said, the inlet. This is the actual part that matters. It's good. Like it's perfect. I'm trying to get it to where we don't have to run a scavenge pump or anything like that. I mean, worst case scenario, we have to. Then yeah, we have to. But
People don't even worry about sucking out water.
street car, bro. Race car, street car. I mean, this is more of this. You know, this is more of like you check the weather kind of deal. Put it right. Whoa. Right there. And that's like a small little 45 kit. Yeah, that's the thing that's on the material. Worst, like I said, worst case scenario, we can always trim this little piece up right here. But then we gotta cut all into it. I think that's good. It's clean. The 98 this way. Or we can make it from. That's good. I mean, I think that's good. Exhaust. Like I said, he really originally wanted the exhaust to come out this way anyway. That's perfect. Like.
Right out the hole.
2 gates, yeah, when they come up. Kind of like an equal length turbo setup on the hot side parts. That way it actually comes in the middle here and then it splits to connect to the headers. We still gotta mount the intercooler and stuff, so I decided to do that.
Don't these come supercharged? Was it supercharged when it showed up?
No, Jesse at WSLS already had. This is basically one of his good customers. It's kind of like a project deal between two shops and stuff.
To vent out the pressure. So the air that's in there, when the heat, it expands. Typically what will happen, it'll blow when you're trying to weld, when you get to the end, it'll blow it out. So to avoid that, you just drill the relief hole. There you go, then. Right there. See how it offsets it?
Like that's, I mean,
A lot more solid than earlier.
yeah, it sure is. Hi. You hung up.
Woo!
Boy.
Spider. Sex. Yeah. 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 The price I want for a show, you gon' need 3 promoters. I got the body from Jim Ellis, but I had switched the motor.
Huh? Oh yeah.
Yeah. I just told her make a story. Yeah. I just bought all the Trojans. Yeah. 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 I told her style my mix. Yeah. I told her stop telling everything she seen and told her me.
Yeah.
Only on the top piece, the bottom piece too. Yeah, it's just just shave a little bit.
How do you think we should hang the intercooler? On this side? We could probably connect them, like, kind of like the same thing over here, where it's coming this way already. Okay, when we make the intercooler, we'll make it, because I think instead of doing it like how mine is this way, I think I'm actually thinking about doing it like actually flat, so that way the intakes are this way, and then this one comes out like this. If there's enough room though, that's the only. Because then if that's the case, then we can make the intercooler bolt onto the turbo compressor. And it just keeps it nice and short, clean. It should work. Yeah, we can put the base connector down there, like flat, with a fan.
Make it nicer.
Huh?
I mean, it'd be nice.
It'd be nice, but
Yeah, I'm in New York counting money. Yeah, ain't the same man, but I'm stunning. Yeah, one of these boys wanna love me. Yeah, now wifey didn't know love be dubby. Yeah, yeah, woo, yeah, 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 yeah. Let's go. Bitch had an X stain on her jeans. I know she fucking with others. Yeah, yeah. I fuck with slats and we corny eat rats and I came with some fucking piranhas. Yeah.